Hi guys, my name is Julia and welcome to this space. Today, let's open together DJI Mic Mini, this guy, and let's compare the sound without the mic. This is basically what you hear right now. I'm using my phone without any mic, just basic setup. And now let's open this and see and hear basically how the sound will change. Yeah, that's a lot of pockets inside. My goodness. And it's a cute little bag. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, this one's are little magnets. Wow. They are strong. Wow. Oh my god. Oh wow. My goodness, this is very strong. Wow. Oh wow, that's a very strong magnet. Wow. Cable. This is so cute. This looks like a little camera we used to have back in the 90s. More cables. There must be a charging station for mic. Oh yeah, okay. This is so cute. Look at this. It's like a charging port. Oh my god, this is so good. And the instruction. Okay, for DJI fans. Quick start guide. To start using the receiver, you need to open here like this and insert this thing, which will basically connect to your phone like this, and this is the dial, and then the mic is already with this thing and we need to turn them on and link. Let's see. Turn on, and now let's link. One mic is linked, and now let's try to use it. It's so cute, actually. I really like it. And right now we will be testing the sound. Obviously, when I am sitting in front of my phone, the sound will be good enough, but let's just walk around the room and see how it will change the sound, if it will stay good Hi there. And you know what I was thinking, what is really funny, that right now I cannot tell the difference, whether it's working, whether the quality of the sound is better than it used to be without the mic. And I will know this together with you once I will upload this video on YouTube. Okay, now I will use the magnet and will attach it to my shirt. This magnet is really strong. Hi guys, and that's me using the mic on my shirt. Now let's try making ASMR sounds. Hi guys, and welcome to my ASMR video. I'm so happy you're here with me testing the DJI mic. And that's basically it, guys. I don't want to make a long video, just a short one to test this together with you. I'm very interested in the outcome myself. Thank you so much for watching this video, spending this time with me. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and take care, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.